making this video to tell you about my new shelving units. I got these two units from IKEA. They're called JONAXEL. They are 160 centimeters tall and each of them are 80 centimeters wide. I got two of them side by side, as you can see, and home delivery came about 10:30 yesterday and assembled it for me. It's not affixed to the wall, it's freestanding, and the width, as I mentioned, is 80 centimeters and two of them makes it 1.6 meters, and the space available is 1.7 meters. So I have about 5 cm here and here. Total I've got 10 cm clearance. Okay, so what I've done was I found, well, it took me 3 hours to rummage through all my boxes in my store to get boxes which are of the correct depth, 38 centimeters. Of course, I've got one here which is a bit short, so I put it on the side. And the trick is to get not only the width, the depth right, but to get 2 or 3 of them to fit onto a shelf. So this one I've got 2 to fit on the shelf. This one is slightly not so deep, it's about 37 cm. This is where I put my Coolings jugs and a spare top set. So I put the light stuff on top. So here I've got box tissues. This one is empty, so the ones that are not labeled are empty. This one is empty plastic jar, so it's very light. This one I've got dried herbs, also very light. I've got seaweed. Altogether I've got 9 boxes which are empty. At the bottom there I've got cleaning material, and bottom here I've got all the heavy stuff. So I've got large cans of sardines, baked beans, chickpeas, lentils, kidney beans, what do you call it, mushrooms, canned mushrooms. Here I have small jars, smaller jars, small size baked beans, as well as braised peanuts, as well as pickled lettuce. Here I have plastic and glass jars, honey, hang seaweed, shallots, garlic, stuff like that. This one's empty. This one I've got miscellaneous Indian herbs and spice powders. Here I've got more powders: soya bean powder, unsweetened cocoa powder, brown rice powder, Horlicks powder, rolled oats, which is not really a powder, and Nestum, which is more of a powder than anything else. Here I've got Campbell's soup powder. This is one of my go-to foods when I'm feeling lazy or sick. So I just boil water, add it in, and then I've got soup. I can also use the soup to make instant noodles, and normally if I have the soup, I make it more nutritious by adding a mix of Nestum brown rice powder and oats to give it more dietary fiber. You need at least 23 grams of dietary fiber there. So this one's empty. This one's got prunes, and these are from 99 Speed Mart. They're really good, convenient size. So whenever I go out, I have these in my bag. So whenever I feel upside down, so when I feel I'm going hypo, I eat a packet of these. So those are the prunes, and this one's really good. Where is it? Yeah. Oh no, these are more prunes. I've got cranberry and raisins underneath there. There it is. Okay. So cranberries on their own are pretty sour. Again, upside down. So cranberries on their own are quite sour, but with the raisins, they're quite palatable. Okay, so the raisins and cranberries. So they're 180 from 99 Speed Mart, so very affordable. And this is my stash of dark chocolate. So I got a whole bunch of dark chocolate here. These Japanese one tastes really nice, Ghana. And I've got other brands as well. And Kit Kat makes chocolate bar. They used to have these dark chocolate Kit Kats, but then what happens is I can't find them anymore at 99 Speed Mart or Eon. So I don't know whether they have stopped production and started to produce these dark chocolate instead. So anyway, this is my stash. And here's my nuts and seeds. I've got walnuts, macadamia, as well as jujubes and goji berries. I got more stuff up here, all the Chinese herbs. And then here I put various bits and bobs. I think these three, I've got a box in there, I've got stuff in here, but this one's empty. So anyway, I'm gonna fill them up with all the stuff all over my flat, and hopefully my flat would look nice, decent, and presentable soon.
An invitation, International Day of Persons with Disabilities, Wednesday, 3rd December 2025, 1200 to 14:30 hours. Venue MAB Canteen, Malaysian Association for the Blind, MAB Complex. Address Jalan Tebing, off Jalan Tun Sambanthan, 4 Brickfields, 50470 Kuala Lumpur. To commemorate the International Day of Persons with Disabilities this year, I am hosting an informal roundtable luncheon to discuss universal design. Panelists will include my friends with various disabilities, including vision impairment, physical disability, and hearing impairment, as well as my architect and lawyer friends. This informal discussion on universal design will be of interest to architects, town planners, civil engineers, quantity surveyors, advocates for accessibility and inclusivity, persons with disabilities, PWD, as well as caregivers and students of architecture and design. For a totally immersive experience, all sighted persons will be blindfolded throughout the event. Lunch will consist of a whole food, plant-based WFPB menu curated by me. This event is also open to members of the public. Attendance is by donation for able-bodied and sighted persons. Hopefully, your contribution will cover the cost of your lunch, as well as that of a PWD. Seating is limited, and at the moment there are 15 places left. To confirm your attendance, please make your voluntary contribution by scanning the QR code. If you are unable to attend but wish to support this event, feel free to make a small donation, not more than 5% of your monthly income. Any excess funds will go towards ongoing treatments to restore my vision. We will have a fruitful and meaningful discussion that will raise awareness of the need for universal design for PWD. Universal design. For background information on universal design, I have made several videos. Links are in the video description below. Aslan Adnan MA, VIP founder, Green Party of Malaysia.
International Day of Persons with Disabilities, Wednesday, 3rd of December 2025. Every year, 3rd of December is officially recognized by the United Nations as the International Day of Persons with Disabilities. It has been observed globally since its proclamation in 1992 under UN General Assembly Resolution 4730. The day promotes understanding of disability issues, supports the dignity, rights, and well-being of persons with disabilities, and raises awareness of the importance of inclusion in all spheres of life: political, social, economic, and cultural.
don't forget to hit that subscribe button to show your support. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to show your support.